preschool pals.
Hello little learners. Today we're going to learn how to read our first words.
Yay!
Let's start with this letter. This is letter A. A makes the sound E. Can you say it with me? E. Great job! Now let's look at this letter. This is the letter T. T makes the sound of T. Let's say it together. T. When we put A and T together, we get the at family. At. At. Now let's add one more letter. This is H. H makes the sound like H. H. Now let's put them together. H says H. A and T together says at. Hat. Hat.
Wow!
Let's read more at family words. We have letter M. M makes the sound M. M. Let's place it here. M says M. A and T together says at. Can you say it together? Let me give you a clue. Mat. Mat. Next is letter C. C makes the sound Ca. Ca. Cat. At. Cat. Cat. Now we have letter B. B says B. B. Now let's read them together. B. At. Let's say it quickly. Bat. 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 Now friends, can you think of more at words? Rat. Sat. Yes, excellent. Those are all at family words. They all have at the end. Now let's look at an family. A says A. N says N. Together they say an. An. Now let's add another letter. This is letter P. P says P. P. P says P. A and N together say an. Pan. 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 Let's look at some more an family words. This is letter F. And letter F says F. 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 And fan. Fan. Letter V says V. V. Say it with me. V. V. And van. Van. We know what letter C says. K. 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 And K. An. Can. Can. Friends, you did such a great job with An family. Now, let's make more words with letter A. Letter A and P. A says A. P says P. App. App. Now, if you add letter C to it, K. App. Cap. App. Cap. App. Cap. Cap. Now I'm adding letter T to the word app. Friends, I want you all to read this. And let me give you a hint. T. App. Tap. This is letter B, and letter B makes B. 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 Letter A with letter B makes A. B. Ab. Ab. Adding another letter to ab. Letter C. And letter C makes K. K. Together it is K. Ab. K. Ab. Cab. Cab. Now, if I add letter L to ab, it will be lab. Lab. Let's make more fun words with letter A. This is letter M, and it makes M. M. Together they are am. Am. Now, if I add letter J to it, J. Am. Jam.
Yummy, yummy.
Jam. If I add letter H, ha. Am. Ham. Ham. Letter G makes sound G. G. A. G. Ag. And if I add letter B to it, B. Ag. Bag. 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 If I add letter T, it becomes T. Ag. Ag. Tag. 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 Wow, friends, you read your first real words today. We learned so many words with letter A, and we made so many word families. Keep practicing, keep learning wherever you go. You all are becoming amazing readers. Bye-bye. Oh, it's a cat. Hello, little kitty. C for cat. Do you see something coming out? Whoa! Look at our fresh strawberries turning into a milkshake.